So welcome you to one more class. Today we will learn the question answers of Coorg. For this chapter I have already given you line by line explanation. If you have not gone through it, please go through it. I have given you in the description box. Please check. And here you will mostly get the question answers and a picturesque description of the beautiful landscape of Coorg you can enjoy in this video. I've given some kind of summary, not totally summary also you can say, but you can enjoy the beauty of this place by seeing the videos. And at the end I have given question answers from question bank. So let's start.
Coorg is written by Lokesh Abrol. It is situated between Mysore and Mangalore. It is in the midway between Mysore and Mangalore. It is in Karnataka district. It is known as the Scotland of India. The author himself says it is a piece of heaven on earth. Coorg is famous for rainforest, coffee, spices, etc. Now, coffee all of you know, and all of you may be fond of coffee, and spices are very important, not only from the point of view of health, but also it gives taste to our food. So these spices are found abundantly in this heavenly place called Coorg. Bungalows and coffee estate, which is very beautiful place to stay there. I have presented a slideshow where you can see Coorg and the people of Coorg. So Kaveri is the main river there, where you can see different animals, elephants having butt in river water, then squirrels, langurs, etc. throwing fruits to the river in order to get the rippling sound, the splash sound they enjoys the most, and the visitors are happy to see all these animals. They will accompany you when you visit this place. Squirrels, langurs are found abundantly in this place. This place is not only famous for different animals, but different birds, fish, butterflies, etc. are found abundantly. So kingfisher diving in water gives a very sensational feeling to you when you see all these animals, birds, etc. This is really a heavenly place in India, and we are really fortunate that it can be called the Scotland of India. As you proceed in this wilderness of the place, the butterflies, the bees, the birds will accompany you. So just think about it, and it is really very enchanting experience. Then here the Buddhist monk, the largest Tibetan settlement is also found in Coorg. So here I have included question answers from question bank. The very short I have not given. From short type B1 I have given. Describe in brief Coorg as presented in the opening paragraph. Coorg is presented as a coffee country famous for its rainforest and spices. It is situated between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. The author Lokesh Abral has a high opinion about the place and he imagines the place to be a part separated from paradise. It is described as the land of rolling hill which is inhabited by a race of martial or war people, beautiful women and wild creatures. Second question, where is Coorg situated? What is the significance about Coorg? Coorg is situated between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. The misty hill, lush forest and coffee plantation cast a spell on the readers. The author is of opinion that the visitors should stay in a resort, coffee estate or in a home for a truly Coorgi experience. The Coorgi people have a tradition of hospitality which attract the visitors to the place. The river Kaveri with its fish, animals enhances the beauty of the place. It should be. People are also attracted towards the high energy adventures such as you can write river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing and mountain biking. Numerous paths created by walking are also favorite with trekkers. Birds, bees and butterflies give company to the visitors. Makers, Malabar squirrels, langurs and slender lories look at the passers-by from the tree canopy. However, wild animals might create some problems. From the hill Brahmagiri, people can have a panoramic view of the entire landscape of Coorg. One of the exciting traveling route is the rope bridge that leads to the island Nisargadhama. India's largest Tibetan settlement near Bailakopi is another attraction for the visitors. Overall, a visit to Coorg will give penetration to the vast diversity of India. Describe the Coorg people and their descendants. Number 3. The people of Coorg are described as very independent and courageous as well as hospitable in nature. They were likely to be descendants of Greek or Arabs. The author mentions a story which describes about the part of Alexander's army stay in Coorg in the ancient time. They came to India for invading people but could not return because it's in short form BCAUSE of some impractical reasons. Ultimately, they married the local people and their culture is evident in the martial traditions, marriage and religious rites, RITES. This culture is different from the Hindus. There is a theory that supports the vast fact that the dress of long black coat with an embroidered waist belt, which is known as kufiya, resembles kufiya worn by Arabs and the Kurds. Coorgi people like to recount numerous tales of valor. It is also noteworthy that the first chief of Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. They are given prominent place in Coorg regiment. They are the only people in India who are permitted to carry firearms without license. Number 4. What is kufiya and kufiya? Kufiya is a traditional dress of long black coat with embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavas, while kufiya is the dress worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. The reason that the author mentions in the chapter is to bring a resemblance between the two. He wants to analyze the theory of Arab origin of Coorgi people.
Question number 6. What is the wildlife of Coorg? Coorg is a coffee country famous for its rainforest and spices. Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of the district. The river Kaveri gets water from the hills and forest of Coorg. A fish namely Mahasir, is available in the water. Kingfisher are seen catching fishes. Squirrels are seen dropping half-eaten food in the water in order to see the splash. The elephants are seen butting with the mouths, M-A-H-O-U-T-S. Birds, bees, butterflies, makers, malava, squirrels, langurs, and slender lories are found in Coorg. Question number 5. Describe Coorgi people's valor and bravery. So here 2-3 questions. Question number 6 already written earlier. Question number 5. You please write it serially. Describe Coorg people's valor and bravery. Coorgi people are known as a proud race of martial men, and they are willing to recount numerous tales of bravery related to their sons and fathers. The Coorg regiment is described as the most decorated in the Indian Army because BCAUSC it should be of the maximum number NUMBER you write of awards they received in war for bravery. Moreover, the chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. Kodavas are described as the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Question number 7. What is the high energy adventures that is available in Coorg? Visitors are attracted to Coorg because of the high energy adventures available in Coorg. These adventures includes river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Moreover, numerous walking trails are also available in Coorg, which are popular among the trekkers. Overall, the adventures are common in hilly areas. Then, question number 8. Describe the animals that can be seen and available in Coorg. In Coorg, we find squirrels and langurs enjoying over the branches of river, and the elephants enjoying but with their mouths in the river Kaveri. Moreover, makers, slender lories are also found in the tree canopy of Coorg. The sight of wild animals are very common in Coorg. Question number 9. How can one have a panoramic view of Coorg? One can have a panoramic view of Coorg and its misty landscape by climbing the Brahmagiri hills. Question number 10 describes the Tibetan settlement in Coorg. The Tibetan settlement of Coorg is found to be the largest in Coorg. Moreover, we find the Buddhist monks wearing variety-colored robes, that is their custom. This settlement is located near Bailakuppi. The visitors can have a first-hand experience of the natural beauty and diversity of India by coming to this place. Now, essay type. Question number 1 already I have given. Describe Coorg and Coorgi people. Already you have written B3, that is. And question number 3 also, how is Coorg a place worth visiting? That you can write, I think. You have to write everything. What are the good things about Coorg that you have to write. So, 1 and 3 I have not given. Question number 2, let's see. According to author, the people of Coorg are descendant of Greek or Arabs. One of the theories that supports Arab origin of Coorg people states that the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by Kodavas, which is known as kufiya, resembles kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. According to another story, when Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled in Coorg, as they could not return to their home country, they married the local people and the culture of the Kodavas people can be seen in the martial tradition, marriage and religious rites which are different from Hindu tradition. The Kodavas people are independent, hospitable in nature, and they like to tell the tales of valor concerning their sons and father. They are given a privileged position in the Indian army as well as in the entire India. The Kurgi regiment is the most decorated in the Indian army. The Kodavas people are allowed to carry firearms without license. So with that we have ended our question answer session. Thank you.